Let's begin by exploring the different storage options available in Google Cloud. Every application needs to store data, like media to be streamed, or perhaps even sensor data from devices. And different applications and workloads require different storage database solutions. Google Cloud offers relational and non-relational databases and worldwide object storage. These options help users save costs, reduce the time it takes to launch, and make the most of their datasets by being able to analyze a wide variety of data. Choosing the right option to store and process data often depends on the data type that needs to be stored and the business need. Google Cloud provides managed storage and database services that are scalable, reliable, and easy to operate. These include Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, Firestore, and Bigtable. The goal of these products is to reduce the time and effort needed to store data. This means creating an elastic storage bucket directly in a web interface or through a command line. There are three common cloud storage use cases. The first is content storage and delivery. This is when content, such as images or videos, need to be served to users wherever they are. People want their content fast, so running on the global network that Google provides makes for a great experience for end users. The second use case is storage for data analytics and general compute. Users can process or expose their data to analytics tools, like the analytics stack of products that Google Cloud offers, and do things like genomic sequencing or IoT data analysis. The third use case is backup and archival storage. Users can save storage costs by migrating infrequently accessed content to cheaper cloud storage options. Also, if anything happens to their data on-premises, it's critical to have a copy in the cloud for recovery purposes. For users with databases, Google's first priority is to help them migrate existing databases to the cloud and move them to the right service. This will usually be users moving MySQL or Postgre workloads to Cloud SQL. The second priority is to help users innovate, build or rebuild for the cloud, offer mobile applications, and plan for future growth.